Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video we're making crunchy milky chinchin. To get started, you first add 4 cups of sifted flour into a bowl, 1/4 cup of powdered milk, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of sugar, a half teaspoon of nutmeg, and then you mix everything together. So you add 100 grams of butter or margarine and mix in until you have this crumbly like texture. The reason why I didn't add salt is because I'm using salted margarine. So this is what you should be looking for, crumbly like texture, and then you add 1 egg. You add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and 1/4 teaspoon of milk flavor, and then you add water. You should add the water in bits, but at the end of the day I think I added about 2 cups of water. Keep kneading until it forms a dough. The dough shouldn't be too hard and it shouldn't be too soft. So I'll be dividing the two into 2 so that I'll be showing you 2 different shapes you can make with your dough, chinchin dough. So the first shape is you first sprinkle some flour on your work surface and on your dough, and then you roll it out flat. It should be flat, okay? So here I'm rolling my dough just like that, as you can see. Keep rolling it until you achieve the desired thickness. Sorry about the video quality. I recorded this in the portrait, and for YouTube it has to be on landscape. So as you can see, I'm using my pizza cutter and I'm cutting into long strips, fat strips, okay? So after cutting it into long fat strips, I will then start cutting with my pizza cutter. This particular shape you can use razor, you can use you can use razor, you can use your pizza cutter, you can also use scissors to cut this shape. Here I'm using my pizza cutter just to show you the shape like that. Just keep cutting it until you've exhausted your dough. Don't forget to please subscribe and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Chef Amos. So here I'll be using the scissors. I love using the scissors. Actually, it's way faster and it gives more cute shape than the one with pizza cutter. Oh yeah, Allah. Sorry about that. Let me just put this one on. So just like that, as you can see. The second shape is the normal one we normally do. You just first cut into thin strips and then both vertical and horizontal, and there you have your cubes. Just like that. Just stay close and watch. You will go both vertically and horizontally, and then you cut into tiny cubes. It shouldn't be too small and it shouldn't be too fat, in between. I'm sorry about all the noise and I'm recording this in the middle of the day. Okay, so you sprinkle some flour on it so that it won't stick, and then you fry in hot oil, okay? Don't overcrowd the pan, just add a little at a time and keep stirring so that it's fried evenly. It will start bubbling, but at its fry the bubbles will reduce, and that's how you know your chinchin is ready. So you just keep stirring it so that it's fried evenly. You don't want some pieces to be well fried and some to be white, okay? So keep stirring every now and then. just like that. So if you're making a larger batch of this chinchin, you just multiply this recipe times whatever amount you want, maybe times 2, times 4, times 6, or times 8, whichever way you want or quantity you want, and that's just it. So as you can see, the bubbles are reducing, and of course my chinchin is ready. Here it has turned golden brown. So I'm just gonna strain it from the oil, allow it to cool down completely. Please let it cool down completely before storing, and then you store in airtight container. Your chinchin will last for months without spoiling. And of course, if you store it in an airtight container, it won't become soft, because I don't really like soft chinchin. And for this particular recipe, if you want a softer version, I have a recipe, just scroll down, I have a recipe for a soft chinchin, or you can just simply add more baking powder to it. So here you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for sticking with me. Please share, like, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.